It's been a while I hear Ovi. It's been a while I hear Ovi. Sarah Perry favorite artist. It's been a while. Such a talent. More shame and I waste. Such a talent. Ovi. Mama obo nyoma hwehwe wate. Me a me free pro mama wate. Me ten in catch because he said the same last mate boy. Boy no small spelling no. The same last mate boy yeah na no ho ba nsem ya. Ye nim sen ka ba na ya chewe ho aba sen ka be ja atworo. Bra ni guso. Tro ma ne kwade sister ne say. Timmy. And for mental health ya stake wate. Sa de na mo hye social media pages sechi trolling crowdfund trotron some obi to me try some so no that sorry. People's mental health is at stake. I keep saying, so whoever is behind this account, you are just a coward. Because page fa betro che ni pa na hwese ya nchi ngwawa. Fa betro hwe. Na ya hwese 3 days kura beto wa ga ya chiwa tum kura. Man so we coward intino still na ni pa kro no this account yechi last mate boy ne art ye beam defender. On se beam fu e bi na aba me yewu. Mo be twa so am ntwa so ntego. But so yeah, so I feel free. Page near Sister Sandy be a guy TikTok, Sister Sandy Instagram, Sister Sandy Facebook. Buy me afafa ho. Buy in a shot. Me kan I dos re twa so mami. Why don't you find the balls to say what Stonebwoy told you? I dare you to check my account well. Just speak the truth and let's hear it. After green cities, there's a black cities, black city, spent your prize money, bought you faulty car and rented apartments that he gave back to his girlfriend. Now last made boy information, sir. And that Kelvin girl, that's a Kelvin boy, left you on the sidewalk. You are here shouting. You think we don't know how Stone supported all of you with his life and money and status, and all of you guys did was to call him ingrate. But he is intelligent. He just dropped you guys because when American concern be super mama kind news. Hey, any so any can be. And then your there girl and a girl and so by. And also deep detail intent, right? Exactly what I'm saying. Because this person is writing like no ni beam for and I'm an answer what come. You are writing like send your trying deep detail intent as what come. You know what time it is. This will be the last time I'll respond to something from years back and I'll tag dear beam defender. What he told me about spying on Cedi for him. There's a spy Abim. It's what you mean, right? Or tearing my contract. You have to take girl on the contract. Oh. Monsovi asem. Asem we dey asem we infim. Asem a menka ho a minji hu sika. Mensan record label menka ho de. Se pa de mama mensa munyi mi de mpa mu bia munye o social no so. Na munyi emfirim. Eh. Mo yakwa na papa yakra asa.